What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lexx.
And we're back for another video.
I see an airplane.
What, Jack?
I see an airplane.
Oh, you see an airplane? It's air show day, y'all. Look at these two. It's air show day, y'all. I'll be back when the air show begins. Right now we're walking up to the strip, to the I don't know what they call it, the strip, the runway, the whoever. We got a couple hours to kill before the show begins. So I'll be back. Make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe button now. What?
And it's not, that's Rob Holland. Yeah, he's right there, Chester. That's Rob Holland. He likes a lot like that formation up there.
I see them. They jump out.
Y'all see him jumping? Yup. Let's see if I can get closer. There you go. I got him on video, y'all. Look. Oh.
They're gonna land probably over there in the field out there.
Rob Holland's striker, he flew about
See where they land.
Gee, I think he's flying his right before he is. But he loves to fly his airplane up there.
I can see him, I can see his face.
No, there's no way he could hit him.
Couldn't get me to do that for nothing.
No?
No amount of money in the world. Nope. I'm afraid.
You would do it, Jack?
All right, you guys stand up. Taylor, you guys stand up for the national anthem.
About the smoke, somewhere's on the airplane line, run a fuel tank. In the fuel tank, he has, yes,
Did you eat all this? What you got?
There's only 2 planes that can land like this. They can land this plane that you see. You can't really see it. He's landing like a helicopter, y'all. Can y'all see it through the people in the umbrellas?
Now there's a transmission in the middle of that aircraft that they lose one engine at any time. Actually transmit the power to the 6,000 horsepower.
If y'all ever seen an airplane that can land, an airplane that lands like a helicopter.
If you want to make it complicated, you can get it with an FB-22.
Osprey? Osprey. They really about to get cracking, Jack. They about to go boom, 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 boom.
If I can have my ears.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go like this. Ah.
Nah.
You don't think so? Let's see if he be plugging his ears when the jets come. When the jets come, I'm gonna take a picture of Jack and y'all tell me, does he plug his ears? Let me know if he plugs his ears. Cause he don't think he gonna plug his ears. He just don't know how loud they are. No, that one didn't. Huh?
That didn't even have my ears.
That
I didn't even plug my ears.
y'all, that one didn't. Let's see. The other.
Once Miss Southwood Patrick fly with the
Wave to him, y'all. Say, let's go. It's time. It's time. Yeah, Jack. I'm watching you, Jack.
I'm watching you, Mommy.
I'm watching you. You better not plug them ears.
We're not going to plug
That way. There's someone that way. I'm watching. Y'all remember, we're brothers, we're happy, and we're singing because we're... Give me a high five. Hey, Brad K, look. Give me a high five.
I feel you're so shaking. It would shake the ground.
They were shaking. Okay, Jack.
They fly real fast. That was just takeoff.
Oh, there you go.
Here they are up in the sky. Y'all. Find them.
It'll go up in the air.
I ain't coming like
They got on their feet, that's it.
they are jets.
Look how they fly right side by side. They're all going
Perfect.
the same exact speed. Then they break up into the little tiny.
Yeah. Y'all, so we left the air show. We left it. We left the air show. Jackson did not. He not close his ears. He not cover his ears. So we out here grilling, chilling. Say hey, Grayson. 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 Grayson.
Yeah.
Look. Say hey, vlog.
Abba.
No, say hey, vlog. Say hey, vlog.
Abba.
So we out here grilling and chilling, y'all. No? Oh, I gotta show you Jungle Boy. Jungle Boy, my phone's up. Come on, Jungle Boy. Show him what you got. Come on, Jungle Boy. Jungle Boy. Woo! Adrian is the Jungle Boy. He's swinging from the tree, y'all. If you love the content, if you want to see more, make sure you do what? What? Like, comment, and subscribe. Jungle Boy in action, y'all. Come on, you got 28 seconds. Come on. Jungle Boy. Jungle Boy, you better not eat them leaves. Do not eat them leaves, Jungle Boy.